Hi guys, it's Youcook here. As promised, I'm going to prepare another version of sticky rice. This time is called Lo Mai Gai, the Chinese sticky rice wrapped in lotus leaf. Some of the main ingredients are 2 cups of sticky rice, Thai sticky rice, 1 pound of ground chicken, 12 dry mushrooms, and 3 dry scallops. You can use dry shrimp as well. Lo Mai Gai is popular on a dimsum menu. Of course, you're going to need lotus leaf and you can pick it up at any Asian grocery market. If you're interested in preparing this recipe at home, stay with me. We're going to get to it right now. First, soak the lotus leaf in the water for at least 1 hour to soften it. 30 minutes after soaking, use a scissor to cut off the stalk. That part is very hard and it's very difficult to wrap if you don't cut it off. Then continue to soak for another 30 minutes. Cut the dry mushroom in strips and use the water to drain the sweet rice, basically to add more mushroom flavor to my rice. These are quite large dry scallops, so I soaked them overnight. Now they are softened. I'm going to strip them into single strands. That way it's easier to mix them into the rice. Dry scallop is a common ingredient used in Chinese cuisine. It adds a very nice and rich seafood savory flavor. Here I'm going to prepare some herbs, shallot, garlic, and ginger. Just mince all of them. Going to marinate my meat with half a tablespoon of sesame oil, then 1 tablespoon of white wine. Add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. I also added half a teaspoon of salt, which I forgot to record. You can also add another teaspoon of ground black pepper if you wish. Then mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm just going to prepare my ground chicken. Stir fry it with all the ingredients that we prepare, just like that. For this recipe, the rice and the meat must be cooked in advance before wrapped with lotus leaf. Now is the time to use the rehydrated water that we saved earlier from dry mushroom and dry scallop. Water adds more flavor to the meat and the rice. Also keeps the rice moist. Finally, add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add in cornstarch mixture to thicken the sauce. The meat is done now. I'm just going to check on my sweet rice. Just like my other Vietnamese Savory Sticky Rice, I use a steamer to steam my sweet rice, and I added a little bit of dry scallop into the rice, and every 5 or 10 minutes I would add some of the rehydrated water left over from the dry mushroom and dry scallop. Optional item here, you can add duck salted egg into the rice if you wish. Other option is to add the salted egg later along with the Chinese sausage when you wrap the sticky rice with the lotus leaf. Here's the fun part. Wrap all the ingredients in a lotus leaf, and just like the way I am doing it now. If you enjoy watching this recipe, don't forget to click that button below, subscribe. Chinese sticky rice wrapped in lotus leaf, Lo Mai Gai. This is my own version of the Chinese Lo Mai Gai. Hope you enjoy watching this recipe, and thank you so much for your time and patience. Until then, take care. Everyone, stay safe.